A fleet of electric buses built by China's leading new energy vehicle manufacturer BYD have been transporting attendees to and from the COP26 meeting in Glasgow. The buses are running under the partnership between BYD and Britain's largest bus and coach manufacturer Alexander Dennis Limited. Paul Davies, ADL's president and managing director, told Xinhua that by working with BYD, it has been able to bring world-leading technology to Britain and fast-track zero-emissions agendas for clean energy buses.
For BYD, yeah, it was very immature. I mean, I think, China has been the starting point for new energy vehicles. You see, obviously, it's a massive market in China domestically. And I think, BYD saw the opportunity here in the UK, and we're very proud to partner with them here in the UK for battery electric buses.
He added that the cooperation has been very successful.
That's very good. I mean, it's been very successful. I mean, from 2016 we delivered 500 battery electric buses, and now by the time you get to the end of this year, that's going to be 1,000 buses. So it's incredibly fast. The pace of change is very fast here in the UK. The UK has got a lot to do to catch up with China, but it's moving very quickly, and yeah, we're delighted to partner with BYD.
We absolutely believe that collaboration should be borderless, regardless of the country. It's about the people. It's about 7+ billion people that we want to save. And this is a very tall order. We should remove all the flags and work together, people to people. The ride is comfortable and the vehicles are very advanced. And I think there's a lot of Chinese companies with the right know-how, with the right brain power, and also the experiences operating in China and replicating that experience here in Europe. I am very optimistic about what humankind can do to provide for the future.